How to fix Ingress timeout problem. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. So all what you have to do is open the Play Store and search for Instagram. Now click here on this green option to update your Instagram if you don't have the latest version. That's the first step. The second step is you have to go to the settings and then go to the apps manager and go to the apps. Now all what you have to do is just wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram, and when you find it, just click on it like this and click here on this for stop. Now go down to the storage, click here on clear cache and click here on this clear data option and click on delete from here. Now go back and click on the power usage details, click on the app launch and make sure that it's on manage automatically. Don't forget to like, subscribe.